DragonEye promises to give vision to any app out there. That is quite a tall order. DragonEye is a platform which enables you to have AI powered computer vision embedded and infused into your application. For instance, if you go to their website, and I will drop the link in video's description, you can see that on the left hand side there is this image, and then one you can get all the information about this image with the help of their own models. And from there you can see that the model was able to detect what sort of items are present in that image, and no matter what sort of image that is, DragonEye is able to detect that. There are a lot of use cases around that, for example in fashion and also in furniture and a lot of other stuff, which we will also have a look shortly. Now, you don't have to be a coding guru in order to start using it, which is a good thing there. If you scroll through their website, this is all you need. You are importing the DragonEye, and then you are defining some of the variables by initializing and instantiating the DragonEye, and then you are looping through each of the element in the image from the result. That's about it. So you can do it for iOS, you can do it for Android apps, you can do it in JavaScript or any RESTful API. How cool is that? So these are that simple APIs, as you can see. And as I mentioned, you don't have to delve into any neural network, any diffusion, any sort of machine learning in order to start using it. And then they have a lot of other things in this website where it goes into detail. For example, it pulls out all the taxonomy behind the image. Another cool thing is that you can sign up with your email account and just start playing around with it, which is still quite limited, but you just get a taste of what exactly is available. Let me log in there and show you. Once you log in, you'll be presented with this screen. Now, one of the weird thing when I logged in is that this is the first time I have logged in there, and it is telling me that I don't have any API calls available, which is a bit disappointing. I think they should give some API call for a trial so that we could at least test it out. But anyway, they say that this is a demo where we can use, and the taxonomy is fashion or furniture. Now, with the fashion one, you can select any image, and then it is going to give you the uh, result. So let's select one of the images. I'm just going to select one of the open source images, or I'm just going to select one of the thumbnail from my own video. And you can see the speed. How cool is that? This is really good, that as soon as I selected it, it is telling me all the taxonomy of this image, that there is a sweater. Yep. Color is blue, and you can see it's not that clear in the black background, but still it was able to detect it. Fabric pattern net, this is waffle net, and that is totally true. Neck style is ribbed. Yep, that is right. Neckline crew neck, it's a long sleeve one. How awesome is that? It's a loose fit, relaxed, and length is regular. Very, very nice. Really like it. And let's select another image. I'm going to select a new image from my local system. Give me a sec. So I'm going to select one of the very popular historical image of Sophia Loren with another actress. And let me make it a bit bigger so that you'll be able to see that much better. Okay, so here you can see that there are two ladies, and it has gone the same with two of them. The fabric type woman, I think this is the left hand side for Sophia, and the right one is for the right hand side lady. I don't know who she is. And then it is going with swimwear upper, and then all that stuff. How cool is that? And cropped and semi cropped, top fit tight, strap style spaghetti, cowl neck. Yep, that is good. And it has even managed to detect the occasion, which is lounge. Vibe is athletic, waist style elastic. How cool is that? Let's select another image. Now I'm going to go with the taxonomy, this time furniture. For the furniture one, let me select a couple of images. Let's go with this one. So this is wingback chair, that is true. Where is that wingback? Okay, so it has just taken it down. And arm count 2, yes. Fabric, yep, that's true. Recessed, and leg color is black, you can see. And then leg count is 4, even if the back legs are not that visible. So how cool is that? And this is for bedroom and living room, that is true. This is actually quite intelligent, I should say. So let's select another image. In this one, I'm going to select another type of furniture, which is of leather. So you can see that it has no, okay, arm material fabric. No, it is leather. I think this is where, and it's a, I think it is PU leather. So this is where it struggled. But other than that, I think the rest of this thing is fine. The leg shape is round, which is cool, and it is for living room. That is true. It is contemporary. Arm type round. Arm material is fabric, whereas it is leather. I think it misjudged the material. Otherwise, everything else looks fine to me. Cool. And seating pattern is solid, which is true. And it is swivel. Yeah, that is true. Okay, let's select another image. Let me go to my local, and I'm selecting a chase this time. So base leg material wood, that is true. Leg shape curved, yep, that is also true. Maybe the image is more better this time. And color is burgundy and red, yes, that is true. English and Victorian style, that is also very true. And seating material is fabric, which is very true. It is also giving you, you can see that it is also giving you the probability. It is very much sure that is a Victorian furniture, 99%. Whereas for red it is 62%, but burgundy it is more, which is awesome. And of course, they have an API. You can check it out with API and only maybe give this feature. Uh, Maybe you can say that any probability which is more than 90%, just include that, and you can remove that red by that way. How good is that? So I think very good tool, DragonEye, and just by using simple APIs, you can create very powerful apps for your Android phone, for your uh, iOS phones, and then you can simply embed any sort of vision capabilities in your applications easily. And they have just given these taxonomies for furniture and fashion, but sky is the limit, as you can see here. So very impressed by this tool. I will drop the link in video's description. Play around with it. Let me know what do you think, and if you are aware of any similar tools, let me know. Happy to check it out. I will drop the link in video's description. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network, as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.